Okay, so that's Phu Quoc, Vietnam. So just so that you guys have a little bit of a reference point. Not a lot of people film. I didn't know what to look for. So, but I'll show you where I am on the map. So this is kind of the main town, and I'm on this main road going into the town. I'm not too far from the small town itself, but I just want to show what this main road looks like and what's here. It's kind of spread out, and there's the beaches will be down this way past these resorts, but we're going to just walk down this main street for about 7 or 8 minutes, and I'll just give you an idea of what this looks like, and you can see it accordingly on the map. So stay tuned. We're in the main street of Phu Quoc. Okay, I got a city for you. This one is in Vietnam, Phu Quoc. I might be mispronouncing that. I might be. I'm not so sure the pronunciation. I have 10 videos of this one. This is going to be my first one. I'm going to eventually put up, every week I'm going to put up a new one for the next 10 weeks. And at the end, you're going to see all these links down below. And I'll have all 10 videos of Phu Quoc. This is just the first one of 10. And this one, I just arrived in the hotel and I'm kind of exploring. This actually turns out to be the main thoroughfare that goes across the island, and it's pretty close to the small town, which is the biggest town in the city. So, and I don't know it at the time. I kind of know it because I researched it beforehand, but it's my first experience with it. So let's just get right into it, and we're gonna walk up and down this major thoroughfare, and I'm just gonna see what the businesses are and kind of get a feel for the land. And this is just number one, and later I'll get more and more into it through the 10 videos. I'll keep that all a secret. Let's get right into this one right now. Phu Quoc, Vietnam. So, okay, so I just arrived, and before I came, I was kind of trying to get an idea of what Phu Quoc might look like. Just to kind of give you some background, I'm here in the rainy season. It's June, so right now it's near the last week of June. I guess dengue fever and rainy season is upon us, and I guess the taxi driver was just telling me that there was a storm. I think these ones take people into the city right there. I don't know how much they cost, but they charged me about 150,000 dong to get into the city, to get from the airport to my hotel, which is up here just a little bit, which is about a little less than about 5 or 6 American dollars, basically. And then so far what I'm seeing in this main road anyways is lots of these hotels and resorts and restaurants that look like they're more suburban in nature, I guess. But this is a major road. From the airport, it was basically like this and more trees the closer you got to the airport. I think it probably took about 10 minutes. Could have been maybe as even long as 12 minutes to the airport. And this is behind me is where all the night markets and such is at. So I'm imagining that that's the heart of Phu Quoc, and I'll be filming that in separate videos. But at the moment, I'm just gonna walk down. I'm just looking for a currency exchange and kind of filling you in a little bit of what it looks like. It's like a Thai massage place. And it looks like there's some resorts. The oceans are down that way, but I'm not exactly sure how to get to that yet. I'm sure I'll figure it out soon enough. I have to wait until I can check in, so. And then I'll sort out more information. Sha is about 40,000, so that's T. It's kind of giving a reference for myself. So that would be 150 is about $5 to $6, so 40 for Sha. Maybe about $2 for a cup of tea in that shop. That makes the taxi fare seem pretty good. I just went into this Huang's market a moment ago. It's kind of like a little bit of tourist stuff. There's a Chinese restaurant over there. I think there's mostly Vietnamese, and I think Vietnamese is pretty ideal. It's like one of my favorite foods. So another coffee shop here. So this is basically my introduction to Vietnam. Got places to sit, fresh fruit. They're selling colas. Looks like most of them are Vietnamese. The other drinks that are not colas, I mean. There's a coffee shop over there called Island. Looks like there's some foreigners up there. So I haven't got a good idea of the demographics or anything yet. Money exchange. Might be a little bit of money exchange right now. Vietnam. So that was a money exchange place. I changed money at the airport, but I want stuff that has more of an official booth, which I'm gonna just keep on walking down a little bit, getting an idea. Let me see. Anyways, this might be kind of a short video, but I'll be filming a lot more of Vietnam. Phu Quoc would be the first one, and I got Saigon that I'll definitely be filming quite a bit from, and I might even go to Nha Trang, most likely. And I don't know what to expect yet, so I'll fill that in. And I'm gonna probably set up, that's my hotel right there. I'll show that one off later. I have to wait until 1 p.m. to check in. Looking forward to that later. And that. And those. Yeah, Vietnamese cuisine is it's like, I think I might like it more than anything else. If I was to order my favorite cuisines, I would have Mexican, Vietnamese, Korean, probably be the top 3, I guess. Some pizzas over there, billiards, holiday center. So it looks like I got stuff right out here too. I'll definitely go into the town, look at the markets and see all the density of it though. And at the moment, I don't know if it's because of the time of day. It's about 11:30 in the morning right now. So we'll see if it's quite a bit busier later. If it is, I'll film that. Just see if it's, I think that's probably how I'd go to the beach. I'll find out later. These, I think, I don't know how those work. I don't know if they pick people up or if you have to have a group of people. More marts, spas, espressos, and even dogs up here. I was expecting more money exchange places, so I'm a little bit unsure of the rates. So I wish I had a few of them to compare and to look at. I do have my phone, so I can kind of get an idea. I can have the internet, so I can make sure I'm not totally. Anyways, today's the first day of the Vietnamese series. Cocktail lounge, Shisha live music. It's hard to know what I'm gonna end up doing later. Looks like they got soccer games. Hello. So we'll just keep on going down. It's just interesting enough that I was gonna end it, but now I'm seeing more bars and more establishments. There's even a tattoo one. But yeah, again, it's like 11:30. It is a Sunday, so I don't know. It seems like they would have a weekend crowd of people who would be walking about at this time, or maybe they're all at the beach. I just don't know yet. But anyways, here's some good book to Cambodia. Busted in Mekong. Man, I don't know. I booked a flight already and leaving for there in about 2 days, so. Pizza Hut. Guy's honking his horn and there's not even anybody in front of him. That's one, I haven't been in Vietnam in quite a while, but that's one of the things is expect a lot of horn honking. But this town is not that many people, so it's not like they're trying to here's a guy trying to get around those. I guess, yeah, I don't know. So these probably go down to the beach. Some clubs, a beer club. So I guess maybe later this will be completely different. So I think what I'll do, there's a craft brewery over there. So what I'll do is, I don't know if this is a boring time or an interesting time. There's some Russian over there. So I think those are the things I'm expecting. Russian, I'm expecting Korean. I've seen some Korean already. Russian, Korean, Chinese. I've seen some Chinese already. Vietnamese, of course. Should be Thai. I took a flight over here from Thailand, so. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is get this up here, and now stay tuned to see some more Vietnamese videos. There's a Korean one right over there. Hanguk Shiktang, Korean restaurant, it says in Korean. Okay.